When I hit a certain age, my eyesight really started to change, and it was frustrating. I was squinting all the time, looking for readers.
It's unfortunate, but as we age, our eyesight can change and deteriorate. And that's why I created IMAX.
IMAX started working for me in about a week. I noticed that I didn't have to squint to see small font anymore, and I also noticed that I didn't have to increase the brightness on my phone.
IMAX is a specially crafted supplement with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A. These scientifically proven nutrients are designed to support eye health and protect against age-related vision loss. IMAX can also reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions like macular degenerations and cataracts. So don't let age slow down your eyesight. Try IMAX today and experience the difference.
It was amazing. I was so excited. I told all my friends.
Take care of your eyes with IMAX.